Audience, after the great speech of Rizwanullah, I am going to invite Ahmad Wahab from class first to present his topic, Muslim Responsibility in Media. Ahmad Wahab from class first.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ادع إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن صدق الله العظيم وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم كفى بالمرء كذبا أن يحدث بكل ما سمع. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am very thankful to Almighty Allah who gave me a chance to express my speech in front of you on the topic of role of media and responsibility of Muslim. Social media. Social media is one of the most important roles to establish new social communication and information by modern technology between friends, family, and people. Allah, who has created all human beings in the world, has been created for human welfare. His aim of creation of creature was that all human beings will worship to help another anyway. For example, it will be helped by technology in modern era. Dear audience, the study that found in case of Dawah that all the prophets did not use the same tools and same techniques, but based on different environment and different situation, they use different tools and different techniques for Dawah. If we see the Muslim Ummah is unable to discharge its responsibilities, that are because of the following reason. Number one, lack of unity. Number two, absence of truly. Number three, representative organization of Ummah. Number four, negative religious scholar. And the last one is absence of representative media. Dear audience, in the era of modern science, when people are dedicated to material goods, service and consumption, it is not so easy to make them return to an invisible world, to Deen and Akhirat. Dear audience, that's why modern IT equipment can be more effective tool for Islamic Dawah. The research uses a qualitative methodology. Today, around the world, Islamic Dawah is on its feet on different media. That is on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google, and WhatsApp. Dear audience, I would like to suggest some important recommendations for enabling the Ummah to perform its duties. Establishment of a platform, especially for the resolution of sectarian issues. Respected sir, in the last, I would like to end up my speech with these words that we should make ourselves, our brothers, our friends, our children, and our youngsters to make good use of media. Thanks.